Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. Today I'm working on this Hamsa that I'm going to be transferring onto this wood round. I'm going to be using a wash of this beautiful Midnight Sky color by Dixie Belle. That's a chalk paint. I'm using my favorite Dixie Belle mini angle brush. And I'm just going to be using a little bit of water just to thin it out a little. So we're going to trace this on once the paint is dry. We're going to set this aside for now. So let's just give this a little bit of a shake, open it up. I'm going to mist the brush also. I'm just going to dip right in, spray this down. And just spread it on. Just going to try to get these edges. I just want to be sure I've got everything covered here. Let's give it another spray. Okay, now that it's on, I'm just going to take some long strokes with the grain here. That'll give me a nice smooth finish. It's as simple as that, so quick. I'm going to let that dry 20 minutes. Then, as I mentioned, I'm going to come back and trace this design onto the face of my round. Now I'm going to be using a wax-free tracing paper by the name of Sorrel to transfer this. In the meantime, I'm going to seal this back up, wash out my brush with just some soap and water, let that dry, and we'll be good to go. I'm using Dixie Belle's Clear Coat Satin to seal. Just going to dip in. To finish off, just going to do a few long strokes with the grain. And that'll be it for now. Now you can do up to 3 coats if you wish to protect it. I'm going to give this about an hour to dry, then I'll come back and do another coat, and I think 2 coats should do it. I also decided to paint the edges with this artist brush because I don't like the look of the raw wood, and it just finishes it off really nicely. For more paint ideas, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that bell to get notifications of our upcoming projects. If you're interested in some of the products we used, I'll leave links in the description. Join us again soon for another flip on the fly.